Warren Buffett, the fifth richest person in the world, once said, "My wealth has come from a combination of living in America, some lucky genes, and compound interest." So what actually is compound interest? It's when your money earns interest, and then that money earns interest too, and so on and so forth. Confused? Here's a simple example. Let's say you invest $100, and it grows by 10%. You now have $110. Next year, you earn another 10%, but now on that $110, not that original 100. It keeps stacking year after year, kind of like a snowball that keeps getting bigger and bigger over time. Start early and reap huge benefits. Even with average returns, if you started investing $100 a month as a 16-year-old, by the time you're 40, you'll reach over $400,000 just with the power of compound interest.